My daily routine. Hello, I am Diana Tovar, and it is my daily routine from Monday to Friday. First get up at 5 o'clock. Then I take a shower. Next I brush my teeth and get dressed in the uniform. I brush my hair, put on my makeup. I pack my bag with all my teaching materials. Then I 5:30 healthy breakfast. After that I go to work. I start work at 6 o'clock. In the morning I teach in a school. I finish work at 1 o'clock. Then I go home and have lunch. Next, I take a nap at 2 o'clock. Every afternoon, I have coffee with bread at 3 o'clock. On Wednesday and Friday, dictate homework for children who need school help at 3 o'clock. Later I go to the gym at 4 o'clock. At 9 I do university homework and mark my students' work, do the laundry, and I walk my dog 7 o'clock. Then I prepare class and help my son with homework at 8 o'clock. Every day I communicate with my parents through video calls. They live in Cali. Then I have dinner and I finally take a shower. Then I watch TV and I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. On Saturday in the morning, I study at the university. Then I go home and have lunch. Next, I take a nap at 1 o'clock. In the afternoon, I do homework with my son. At night, I go out to dinner or cinema or dance with my boyfriend. On Sunday, in the morning, I go to church. After I do housework, I wash the clothes, I clean the house, I clean the garden. Next, I prepare a delicious lunch for my family. In the afternoon, I play with my son's Xbox. In the night, finally, I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Thank you.